like finding Bigfoot, like from the movie Harry and the Hendersons. Oh, what a classic. Summer is here! Summer lovin', had me a blast. And flowers. Ah. Sometimes you just gotta smell the roses. Or there's no roses in here. Hey guys, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. If you don't know who I am, I've been making geocaching YouTube videos here for 7.5 years, sharing my adventures. My goal is to bring joy to the world, one geocaching video at a time, and hopefully entertain you as well. Today, it is time for the June Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box where every single month, geocaching goodies show up at your door. And what's special about my unboxings is that after I open this stuff, I go out into the field and I actually use the stuff because geocaching stuff is meant to be used. Today, I have a knife. Let's open it. Oh, the very first thing. I always have to say it. I'm sorry. Paper celebration. First item. What is this? Oh, yes. This is something that I need, and this might be something you need as well. We've got screen cleaners, dry nano particle cleaning formula. Removes smudges, fingerprints with ease, alcohol and ammonia free. This is so necessary because most people geocache with their phones, and when you geocache out in the woods with your phone gets all nasty with dirt and grime and bear poop. Okay, I got my grimy phone, and look at this. This just comes out just like this, and there's a little pad right here, and you just wash it. There's like cleaning solution on it. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Sorry, just had to go into Pee Wee Herman mode there. I'll clean you up. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I have another one of these. Look it. Do you know what this is? I opened one of these in the Hero Crate. This is a GeoCoin display case and stand. You put your GeoCoin inside of there and you can display it for the world to see. Let's face it, most of our GeoCoins that we collect are not displayed properly. They're just like in a box or something like that. Okay, so this coin does not come included with the Cache Crate, but I just earned this by doing the Oldenburg Geo Tour. Ooh, look how lovely it's displayed. All right, what's next? Hidden Creatures. Hidden Creatures of Geocaching patch. This is perfect because the geocaching.com Hidden Creatures promotion starts today, where you find geocaches, and with each geocache you get closer and closer to level up and get brand new souvenirs that are like, I don't know, like Bigfoot, unicorn, phoenix. We'll go out after this and find a cache and get the Bigfoot souvenir. That's a great idea. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. This is a beautiful coin. This is Alaska Geocoin. Look at you, got two cute little otters or beavers or whatever they are on there. On the other side, a horned puffin. And I also get the add-on Trackable. And guys, the add-on Trackable is another Alaska Geocoin. Oh, I realized they're not the same. The add-on Trackable is a gold version of it. So I have a silver and a gold version of the Alaska Geocoin. So another great, amazing Cache Crate. If you're interested in Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com and subscribe there. You can cancel anytime, and you too can get amazing geocaching goodies sent to your door every single month. So every once in a while, people put out into the wild geocaching trackables, and some of them actually make it my way. Today, I'm driving about 20 miles to retrieve a trackable that was sent to me by a geocacher by the name of Jesse. Okay, I just drove about 20 miles to get to this geocache because hopefully there's a trackable in there for me, and hopefully I find it so I can earn the Bigfoot souvenir. It's like finding Bigfoot, like from the movie Harry and the Hendersons. Oh, what a classic. What a lovely sign. The Oak Business Park, home of Tranks, Lobos, and Zipheads. Back to the Future 2, anybody? Anyone? Anyone? Whoa, that was like 2 80s movie references in one video. That's 80s overload right there. Oh, yes! America, America.
America. That is the most patriotic geocache I have ever found. Hey, moment of truth. Let's see if the trackable is still in there. Yes. Oh, that's cool. It's in there. That either means rock on, but I actually think it's sign language for I love you. I love you too, Trackable. I love you too. It's the little guy from Toy Story. I think Toy Story 2. So I have a whole load of trackables from Germany that wanted to come to the US, so I'm gonna trade one of the trackables in there for the one that I'm taking out. All right, let's put that patch in there too, because we need to celebrate, because I just earned the Bigfoot badge, 1 geocache. So this is a pretty patriotic geocache, so I'll put a Britain patriotic coin in there. And of course, I'll also put in the hidden creature patch as well. Well, it is always fun to have trackables sent your way, especially trackables that make their goal. Congratulations, Jesse, and congratulations to me for capturing Bigfoot, Harry, from Harry and the Hendersons. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you're interested in the Cache Crate, cachecrate.com, get your awesome geocaching goodies yourself.